sorry. I have already made the things which I need to make this video, and this is the video. So now I'm going to start. Hey Barbie! Barbie! Look what I found! Barbie! Look what I found! Barbie! 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 Look what I found. Hey! Hey Lavender! How is your concert practice going? It's fine. Actually, it's really fun. And Luna, did you enjoy your trip with your other friends, which are also unicorns just like you? Well, you're actually a unicorn with butterfly wings. Well, did you enjoy the trip? Well, I certainly did. It was really fun. And those were actually, letting the pets, the real unicorns, like the unicorns with the horse bodies, because we are just, like humans with horns. So basically, they also let the pet unicorns come with them. Hey, Barbie, listen. What, Teresa? Well, look what I found. It's a treasure map. A treasure map? Where did you even find that? Well, when I was cleaning my cupboard, I found this in my oldest cloth. Oh, I dropped it. Wait, let me pick it up. Where did she even find that cloth from, Barbie? I mean, look, it looks like a cloth. It's blue. It's like the most old-fashioned cloth. Where did she even find it in her clothes? I found it in the cupboard in my oldest dress, which was given to me by my grandmother. So, I think my grandmother wanted to show me this for a long time, but she didn't know anything about maps and treasures. Nothing, I know her nicely. Then how did you even get that map in the dress given from your grandmother? I don't know. Where did it even come from? But let's follow it. Hey, Teresa, tell us, what does it say? I don't know what does it say. This handwriting, I can't even understand it. And I don't even know that what language it is. It doesn't look like English to me. Lavender, I thought you knew every language because you perform in every single country. Hey, I do know every language, but this one nobody knows maybe. Unicorn, do you know that? Well, what that means? Because your unicorn language is ancient. Hey, why do you even call me a unicorn? You should call me by my name. But I want to call you by your nickname. It's much easier to say than Luna. I just keep forgetting your name. You just look like a cute unicorn. Whatever, but I know that language. That's the ancient unicorn language. Let me read. It says, on the big mirror above the river of rock stars. Hey, that's the mountain. It has purple water flowing through its river. That's why it's called the Rockstar Mountain. Let's go there. I know where it is. That's where I used to live. Oh, that's why you know so nicely about it. Yeah, that's why. Come on, I will lead you to that mountain in no time. I know a shortcut, but it is a bit dangerous. So we'll take the long cut. Hey, where did that word come from? Long cut. I just made it. Okay, fine, I'm joking. I didn't make it. It is the word used in the Rockstar Mountains. That's what we usually use for whatever it's called in, like your normal life. But that Rockstar Mountain is super, like it has a few words which are super not understandable almost. This is one of the words which are actually a kind of those, but it's easy to understand what you mean by that. So I will lead you. This way, come on. Okay, Lavender, we are coming. Come fast. It will take a long time. Come. Come on. We are coming, Lavender. Just give us a second. We just dropped the map. Oh, I think there's something wrong. I know what it is. It's the special Rockstar puddle. We just call it that because it was first found by the people of the Rockstar Mountain. That's why it's really slippery. You just put your leg and you fall down. Hey, the map's flying away. Catch! I caught it. Here it is. Now you get up first. Here, we got up. Now give us the map. Give me the map. Because I found it and it was lying in my clothes. So give me that map because I am the best map reader, but I can't read that language. Here you go. Come on, come here. Hey Lavender, that's too far. How did you even get past this puddle? Well, we rockstars from the Rockstar Mountain have a special skill that we can walk on that puddle without slipping. That's why we didn't knew that it is so slippery before. Then when other people started coming and stepping on that, they slipped. The normal people. So we can just pass it, us rock stars. You should come too. From the sides, of course. Here, take the map. Now let me see what's written next. Hey, we haven't reached that mountain yet. So let's go. Now this time we can catch up with you. So let's go. Hey Lavender, why are you sleeping there? Well, this is a magnetic field for us rock stars. Our dress, sticks to that part. So it's really difficult to get up. It's also difficult to avoid that part. So let me get up. I just need some help. Okay. Us unicorns are really strong. We can help you. I can help you. I'm just a bit confused with these plural and singular things in that human world and our unicorn world. Thank you, unicorn. Hey, others, come on. Barbie, Teresa. Wait, we dropped the map. We are picking it up. Come on, be fast. We don't have a lot of time left. I have read that map and it also says if you don't, get the treasure before 9 o'clock at night, and the date says that it's 7th July. Fast. It's going to be 9 o'clock in 2 hours. Okay, so let's go. Here is the mountain and there is the big mirror. It's so big. That mirror is really big. I have never seen that before. The mirror they are talking about. So, let's climb it. Well, as unicorns have a magic power to transport, so I can transport all of you up there. Hey, you transported the map over there. And we want to take a rest. So let us just lay down for a moment. And unicorn, catch that map with your horn magic, okay? I will. It's caught now. It's safe. Let's just take a break. Only a 5 minutes, okay? Okay, Lavender. And Teresa, it also says there's something on the top of that mirror. So I'm going to go and pick it up. No, wait. Us rock stars can't go that high. Let Barbie go. Yeah, I can go. Oh, no, it's slippery. That's why you can't go, right? That's the exact thing. And I think we don't need a map anymore because there's nothing else written on it. Okay, so I'll just throw it away. No, wait. I didn't mean to throw it away. Keep it. It can help us sometime later. Okay, I kept it in my pocket. Hey, there's something written on this clue. Oops, I dropped it. I'm going to pick it up. Hey, Unicorn, what happened? I told you call me Luna. Well, I'm still going to call you Unicorn. It suits you much better than Luna. How did you even transport us back down without even telling us? You should tell us. We were scared, right? Yeah, that was really scary. You should have told us. We thought it was an evil power taking us away. Yeah, I thought the same too. Sorry, I wouldn't do that again. But I'm so excited to see what's at the end of the map. Well, I've read this chit and it says that we should go to the Unicorn Mountain, which is made out of kinetic sand. Hey, did you talk to go to us unicorn's favorite place? The favorite playing place? Yeah, that's what it says. So I will just transport you there because nobody can walk there with their legs. It's not too far, it's just magical in the air or something type like that. So I have to magic you there. Okay, so magic is there. We are not afraid now because you told us. Much better. Oh, this mountain actually is pretty good. It's so nice. No wonder you unicorns like this. Hey, I found another chit. Pick it up, Barbie. I also read it after picking it up. It says that the magic, unicorn and rockstar and many other objects hidden in here. Well, not many other, 3 because all are actually of 3 types. Normal humans, rock stars and the unicorns. So there might be 3 things. Well, the chit also says that there are 3 things, so let's find them. Hey guys, look what I found. This golden lip balm. Let me try it on. I tried it on. How did you even try it on without even putting your hands to your lips? Well, I used my unicorn magic. Oh, so your magic can help you do anything you want? Almost anything. There are only a few things which I can't do. Not only I, all the unicorns I mean. Can you make us all try your, golden lip balm? Yeah, and it's a unicorn object because it's golden. And you know what? It never ends. It's never ending. Okay. Now let me make you try all this. Well, you have to say one thing to, put it on. Okay, what is it? What do we have to say? We have to say all 3 types getting together and having fun. We can say that. That's easy. I thought that was, something tricky, like really tricky. All 3 types getting together and having fun. Wow, that lip balm is pretty good. It smells like gold roses. That's exactly what it is made of. Nice guess with your smell and whatever sense you used in this. All my senses. That means you even tasted it and heard it. Of course, Teresa, she can do anything with this lip balm. Everything can be, used by every single sense in our unicorn land. Every single thing. Oh, that's cool. Hey guys, look what I found. I found this galaxy type stick. I think it glows in the dark. Does it? Hey, us rock stars know everything about glow in the dark stuff. This is not something which glows in the dark. Then it might be something like my glue. Yeah, it has crystals in it, and when you put it, in front of some light, it looks like purple slime type liquid type something with crystals in it. Let's try that. I can see a light over there. Yeah, in our unicorn world, everything is chaotic. You can see lights in the sky. Okay, let's see. Oh, it is like that. I can actually see it. Exactly like that. It's so cool. It looks like it just fell from the galaxy. Of course it did. Because it looks like a galaxy. Everything which looks like a galaxy in our unicorn land is actually from that thing. Everything is literal in our place. Cool. I really like it. I would even share it with all of you. Thank you. Hey, I can see something over there. Something shiny, like my gloves. It's hard to pull out. A guitar? Where did this come from in here? A guitar, you found the ancient unicorn guitar. It looks really nice. Well, let's try it on. Unicorn, can you make me try it on with magic? Yes, of course. Just a second. Wow, unicorn, it's so cool. Where do you even get this stuff from? Where do you even get these cool things from? How do you even make them if you don't get them from anywhere? How do you even make them? How do you even make them? You unicorns are so creative. Yes, of course. All us unicorns are really creative. We make this with our magic. Is this magical? Not exactly. Meaning, it works like a normal guitar, but it has some parts which is, made of magic. Oh. And you need a unicorn horn to, give it energy so it can run. But that energy needs a special spell which I haven't learned yet. So you can't play it right now, okay? It's fine. I will play it later. But unicorn, now I think you should transport us all back home. Because this adventure was really fun. Yeah, Lavender's right. Right, Teresa? Yes, of course. Well, it was really fun. So now, I think we should try using our things. Yeah, we will. This is all. This is the whole video. Bye.